Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and quick settings. Now let's tap on the status bar, and as you can see here we've got two different options which are connected with the battery style and the battery percentage, which depends on the style, which means that depending on what kind of style you will choose, so for example vertical, horizontal, loop or do not show at all, you will have two different options to show the battery percentage. Let me show you what I mean. Here we've got the vertical option and the battery percentage is with the switcher, so only we can show the battery only next to the battery icon. However, if you will choose horizontal option, here you can choose it outside the battery icon or inside the battery icon. So as you can see, the percentage depends on the style. So of course choose the option you'd like to use and simply tap on it, and this is how it works. This is how you can show the battery percentage. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.